first slip up, a few fights, few stick-ups. Then one little thing just leads to the next. And here come them hot boys to breathe down your neck. Now you gotta pack up, flee from the rest. And just a week ago, you was free from the stress. I guess it is what it is. Jails is packed, the streets is whack. It's even worse when your workers tapping your beef sack. Wife is getting feisty, she's beefing back. Though it's unlikely, it might be a visa's max. The coke is up, so now cushion drove us up. And the vegans got the game in the Cobra clutch. The D's and the Capri's too close to duck. But what the fuck, they can suck on some coke.